Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Universe Sandbox, and I'm Phil the Searcher, and today I'm bringing you a very interesting concept, a very interesting scenario. Now actually this is gonna happen, but don't start freaking out because this actually isn't going to happen until, as you can see, 4.2 million years in the future. So, I don't think any of us are going to be around unless they find a way to keep our brains alive. Keep our brain and everything intact, and like computer simulations or something. But that's a whole nother story. So basically, what this is, like I said, this is actually going to happen in the way, way, way future. But here's the Milky Way galaxy, and here's Andromeda. And this is where we're at. In fact, I'm going to focus on us just to get the full effect of what's going on here. And, so yeah. Wait, I wonder if I'm still focused on him. On us, I mean. Yeah, I think so. I just don't want that to be in the way. Whoops. Okay, good. I think we're focused on the sun. Alright, so basically what's going on is the way the galaxies are among one another, like the way they're traveling through space, they're actually going to be intersecting paths. And well, basically they're on a collision course. As you can see, one is coming in from the left there, and this one is kind of swinging in. Actually, this the path that the Milky Way seems to be taking is kind of a circular path. I wonder if we're just kind of going around in circles out in space. But anyway, simply put, we're on a collision course with one another, and this is what's going to happen. Wait, where's the sun? Okay, there we are. Yep, I am focused on the sun. And I don't know how violent it's actually going to be, but this is probably going to make it look pretty bad. All the particles and dust and crap in the galaxies just kind of colliding. They've started colliding with one another, and the cores. See, basically what's happening is each galaxy has mass to it and gravity, and so basically what they're doing whenever they get close enough is they're going to start reacting to one another. And as you can see, they're kind of like the Milky Way is going down and Andromeda is going up, and now they're just kind of intertwining with one another, and the sun is just kind of chilling out right in the middle. It's a very chaotic scene, but considering as small as we are, I don't know if this would have a huge impact on Earth. I imagine it probably would, with all the gravity that's being dealt by the two galaxies. Now, what I'm noticing is it almost looks like, wait, let's focus on the Milky Way here. It almost looks like the galaxies are suspended now. I mean, particles and space dust and gas and everything are still moving, but it kind of seems like they've kind of attracted one another, and each other's gravities are kind of tugging on one another. So I'm wondering if when two galaxies collide, if it doesn't form some sort of a singular galaxy after a couple million years of adjusting to the new environment, if that makes sense. The sun is still kind of chilling out there. It looks like the sun's gonna go flying out into space. Let's increase this. See what's going on here. Yeah, it doesn't actually look like there's a whole lot of change going on. It just looks like the particles are going insane. I keep saying particles, they're not really particles, they're a lot bigger than particles. Wait, what? It's like they have a sun for the center of the galaxy. But yeah, I thought that was an interesting thing to share. And it looks like the sun is still moving away. Let's actually speed this up a little bit more. No, the sun's moving back now. But, okay, yeah, look, the galaxies are kind of merging with one another. Although more particles seem to be expanding out away from it, though. Huh. That is really interesting. It seems like they are kind of orbiting one another now. But are all the stuff that was orbiting around the center of the galaxies is just completely dispersing into space. That's amazing. So it seems like once a galaxy collides with another galaxy, it's almost like they lose some of their gravitational force. Let's speed this up again. Okay, now they seem to be flying apart. So that's a pretty far away view of everything. So that just goes to show how far things are being flung out here. But it's very interesting. Now I don't know. I assume. Wait, what's going on with the sun? Okay, it's still kind of. Oh, well, this is interesting. See some particles kind of floating around Andromeda there. Probably the same thing's happening with the Milky Way too. It's almost like it's trying to attract some more particles. I mean, I'm sure there's still some gravity there, but yeah, now I'm not 100% sure how accurate these computations are, but I'm fairly certain. I mean, they seem to be really, really spot on with gravity and space and time. So I assume that they're really accurate. But yeah, that was the collision with Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxies. So very interesting. I might do a little bit more research on this and see if that is really what would happen. So cool. Alright, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you see, if this isn't a huge snooze fest, which it might be for some people, I apologize. I don't remember what I was going to say. Well, probably if it's a huge snooze fest, you're not going to subscribe, but I would greatly appreciate any subscribers. Right now I'm kind of stuck at 10, but that's no problem. I am actually going to have a lot of fun doing these videos. So, alright, thank you again for watching, and until next time, everyone, take it easy.